Hello everybody, this is Christine from REV Robotics here today to show you how to navigate our new Intro to Robotics V2 curriculum. Remember, our Intro to Robotics curriculum is free with the coupon code provided by filling out the curriculum response form at revrobotics.com/curriculum. Let's get started by taking a look at the folders available within the download. Everything is broken into individual units except our Getting Started folder labeled as Read First. Opening this folder, we have a few documents in a second folder. Let's glance at that first quickly. The Assessment Question Bank folder contains an example midterm and final exam with matching answer sheets. The Unit Question Bank, meanwhile, provides additional questions to assist with those who might want to make other assessments throughout the course. Back in our main Getting Started folder, we have 4 documents. The document labeled as Read First contains general material about the course, including a time breakdown and standards per unit. Intro to Robotics Quick Challenges is a list of small, one-off programming activities intended to be used as bell work, warm-ups, review, or filler in the event you have student groups moving at different paces. The Intro to Robotics V2 lesson breakdown is a quick, summarized look at what is taught in each of the 39 lessons across the 6 units. It's great for sharing with parents and administration. Lastly, the troubleshooting guide provides tips and guidance for common problems in the Duo control system to aid teachers during their day-to-day class. Additional troubleshooting docs can be found at docs.revrobotics.com. Now, let's look at what's inside one of the unit folders. Each unit is staged in a similar fashion as seen here. Let's start with the unit plan. This is a document intended for administration use in planning, providing an estimated time for completion, all the student learning outcomes, and a summary of what is covered within the unit. For teaching each lesson, 2 versions of walkthroughs are available. The lesson plan document highlights learning outcomes, needed materials, a simplified step-by-step walkthrough, assessments and activities, and the standards touched on in the lesson. This is intended to be structured like standard lesson plan documents educators may be familiar with. The teacher guide provides the above material along with a callout for lesson key terms and a more elaborated walkthrough for the lesson. The teacher guide breaks a lesson into an introduction, discover when new material is covered, explore activities and application of materials, and a wrap-up section. This extended guide provides scripts, tips, and extra details. Units with a large activity include an activity guide. This provides information on needed materials for the challenge, setting up the activity area, tips and examples, and a breakdown on grading the project. We recommend reading these guides first before diving into one of the unit activities. Our last 2 documents are the lesson breakdown for the unit, which provides a summary of what's taught when, and a key terms glossary with terms in order of appearance on the slideshows. Now let's look at the folders in each unit, starting with the slideshows. Slideshows are labeled by lesson number. To aid with topic clarity and planning, some lesson materials have multiple slideshows, which are numbered in order of when they're covered for that lesson. The slideshows use a color code to help students and educators identify the important key information. Key terms are highlighted in orange for students to recognize that they should write down the definition. Other information that is important, but not a key term, is highlighted in blue. Finally, instructions or callouts are highlighted in green, such as the required name for a new programming lesson. The student materials, such as handouts and build guides, can be found in the unit's Student Activities folder. The rubric for large unit activities can also be found here. Matching answer sheets, if applicable, can be found in a unit's answer sheet folder. We hope this updated structure for the curriculum is easy to navigate for new and returning educators. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at education@revrobotics.com. Enjoy exploring all of what the newly updated curriculum has to offer.